Welcome back, science enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting experiment lined up for you. We'll be delving into the world of motors and learning how to measure their power input. I'm your host, Chatresh, and you are watching Curiosity Lab. Let's get started. Scene 1. Apparatus Setup. For this science experiment, we'll need the following materials. LV power supply, variable DC. Motor generator unit. Ammeter 0 to 1 amp DC. DC voltmeter 0 to 5 volts. Begin by setting up the circuit as shown in the diagram, ensuring that there is no load on the motor other than friction. Scene 2. Power measurement. Once the circuit is set up, adjust the voltage supply to provide the appropriate voltage for the motor. Take note of the readings on the ammeter and voltmeter. To calculate the power transferred to the motor, we need to determine the number of joules transferred per second. This can be done by multiplying the potential difference, voltage, and the current. Use the formula P is equal to V multiplied by I, where P represents power in watts, V is the potential difference in volts, and I is the current in amps. Scene 3. Efficiency calculation. Now, let's discuss the efficiency of the energy transfer. Efficiency measures how effectively the motor converts input power into useful work. Efficiency is equal to power transferred to the lamp divided by power transferred from the power supply multiplied by 100. To calculate efficiency, we compare the output power to the input power. In this science experiment, we'll extend the setup by using the motor to drive a generator that lights up 1, 2, or 3 lamps in a lamp unit. Connect the voltmeter across the voltage supply and use the ammeter to measure the current to the motor. Connect the desired number of lamps into the circuit and note the change in input power. Next, place the voltmeter across the generator terminals and the ammeter in series with the lamps. Record the results in a table and calculate the output power. Conclusion. By performing these measurements and calculations, we can gain a better understanding of the power requirements and efficiency of a motor. Remember to take safety precautions and enjoy the process of exploring the fascinating world of motors. That's it for today's DIY science experiment. I hope you found this experiment informative and enjoyable. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and I will see you next time in Curiosity Lab.